Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to verify that the expressions on both sides of the equation are equivalent, meaning this expression on the left is equivalent to this expression on the right. Please remember that the equivalent expressions are expressions written in different form that yield the same value for identical inputs. Now let's go over this example. So we're gonna verify if both sides of this equations are equivalent or the same. So we're gonna simplify this left side to see if it's gonna match up on the right side. If you notice, the operation that we have for these two expressions right here is division. So we're gonna use long division to divide these two together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write that down here. So to divide this expression, we're going to start with 3x squared, the first term, divided to the first term. So 3x squared divided by x is 3x. So I'm going to go ahead and write that up here. Now, the next step that we do is to multiply this 3x to each of the term on the x and 2 right here. So we're going to start with 3x times x is 3x squared. So I will write that up here. So that's 3x squared. And then at the same time, I will multiply this 3x to the 2. So 3x times 2 is 6x. So that's a plus 6x. And then we are going to subtract these two expressions together. So once we subtract it, 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. We have 4 minus 6 is negative 2x. So that's negative 2x down here. We bring down the negative 5. The next step that we're going to do is negative 2x divided by x. So if we do that, negative 2x divided by x is negative 2. So I'm going to write negative 2 up here. And then we are going to multiply negative 2 to both terms here. So that is negative 2 times x is negative 2x. I will write that down here. And we have negative 2 times positive 2 is a negative 4. So I will put negative 4 here. And we do the same thing. We are going to subtract these two expressions together. So that comes out 0. So that is negative 5 minus negative 4 is negative 1. Now we remember that this negative 1 right here is our remainder, while our 3x minus 2 here is the quotient. So then if we divide these two expressions right here, the answer is we write the quotient first. So that is 3x minus 2. And then we add the remainder. So that instead of minus 1, so that is a negative 1 over, we are going to write the divisor, which is x plus 2. So this is the answer when we divide these two expressions up there. So if you notice, it matches up to the one that we have on the right, which means that these two sides, the left and the right, are equivalent expressions. Again, since these two are exactly the same, they are equivalent expressions.